Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be making pumpkin spice white chocolate, and let's get started. So first what you want to do is set up a double boiler, and in order to do that you first boil a pan with water in it, and then you're going to put a glass bowl that is heat safe on top, and we're going to let the steam from the bottom help cook the chocolate. And so first we have around 60 grams of cocoa butter, and to that I'm going to add around 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then mix that. So it'll take about 2 to 3 minutes, but as soon as this melts we'll add the other ingredients. So now I'm going to add around 1.5 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. Make sure you drain out the water since you don't want the oil and water to mix. And then mix this together. And then to this, I will be adding around a half teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and a pinch of allspice. And now mix all of this together. It'll look a little bit separated now, but once you add your sugar, then it will combine. So next, get your confectioner sugar. Make sure that it is sifted so that there are no clumps, and add that in and mix it all together. To this, you will add about 1/8 cup of coconut milk, but add it slowly to make sure that the consistency is not too watery where it won't freeze. Right, so it looks like we can add a little bit more. This is going to help you see that really nice burnt orange color, as well as combine everything together. So now that you've let the mixture cool down a little, you're going to spoon it into the mold. And if you notice, I filled 6 of them with my new white chocolate cream, which I will be posting a little bit later. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your pumpkin chocolate mixture and you're going to spoon it into the mold till it reaches the top. So again, when spooning on top of the cream, just treat it like a normal chocolate and fill in the gaps. This will freeze and then create that beautiful marble effect when you take it out, and it's super pretty. I'm going to now take these to the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours until they're set.